I got Jussie with me.
So dude.
Jussie's never been fishing before, so we'll see what we get. This is like perfect light. Do you know the cast? No. Should I chuck this near the bridge pylon? Risky. Oh geez, they're Trebs. They're Trebs.
Where?
School of Trevally.
Where?
Did you see him?
I saw like a massive giant. Oh.
No, that was like 6 fish. All came along here. 6 big Trebs. Mate, if you're gonna catch them on something, this is a good choice to go for. Jeez, they're fast. There they are. Come on, take it, hit it. Oh, did you have one? Come on, hit this. Did you snag? Hang on, where is it? Just flick it. Okay, use mine. Cast out, like, out there somewhere. And I'll give this a go.
Pretty sure, like, I would have to go for a swim skip.
Yep, in you go. Take it all off, dude. Nothing will eat it.
Yeah.
Nothing will eat you. Otherwise it would have eaten the lures by now.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm holding your rod, aren't I? Well, you go in and get it.
Oh. Doesn't matter if this gets wet.
Hold on. Yeah, check me out.
Where did that come from?
You had it on your other hand.
And what the...
Where was that? What the heck? Was it in your head sock?
Maybe.
The whole time? How did you not notice? Yeah, so go to the end there, duck under, and just have a look and see if there's any fish there on the bottom of the bridge pylons. And get up if there's like a shark or something.
There won't be a shark.
No, there won't.
Sure.
No, there won't.
What does a red fish look like?
A what?
It's red.
Are you serious? Is that a freaking jack? Huh?
I don't know where it went.
Dude, I'm bringing the GoPro in. Was it red?
I don't know, it was
Like a brownie red?
yeah.
Oh, that's a jack, dude. Finally getting some yabbies. The tide has finally gone down enough that Jussie and I can go. Look at that. That's alright. I mean, it needs to be twice that for both of us. But that's like 5 minutes work. Whoa! You just shot that one out.
There's another one there.
No, that's too small. Yeah. Whoop. Look at all the eggs in there.
Yeah.
Put that back, I reckon.
Yeah.
Go. Okay, you want to go down the hole? There we go.
Let him up.
My rod just broke.
Yeah.
I just got it. I just got it.
How did it break?
I don't know. It's broken in 3 spots. This is literally like the second. Like I haven't even had this for 24 hours.
It's actually a mess. How did it break?
I don't know. So it was like this. It was like hole, right? Hole. And then I went like this to get line out of it, and then just snapped. That was no different to what I'd usually do.
Yeah.
What do I use?
We can go back.
No, it's fine. I'll just fish with like the bottom part of it.
Is that even possible?
Yeah. It's not likely to catch a fish, but it's possible. No, Jussie, just so wind up, so get the slack line and just hold it there like that until you feel nibbles on your finger. Like I just got a bite then. Yeah, yes, on. Come on, first fish of the day. What is it? Oh, flatty! Nice flatty, are we on? On half a rod. Are we on?
What?
Are we on?
Yeah.
Sweet. There we go. Off you go. First fish of the day. Hopefully not the only. Alright, Jussie.
All around me are familiar faces.
Jussie, mate.
Yeah.
That's got to be there.
Huh.
With your finger on the, like, stop winding. There. Line there. Tight. Like wind until it's tight. I'll show you quickly how to do it again. Alright, so line.
Holy shit.
Oh, you're on! Yes! Yes! Yeah, Jussie! Yes, what is it? It's a flatty!
Oh my god.
Oh yes! Get it up! Yeah, boy! Yes!
Go on.
Bring it up further. Yeah! Do you want to take it out of its mouth or not? No. Have a look at flatty thumb. Flatty thumb is where the tiny little teeth just like shred your fingers.
Does that hurt?
Oh, a little bit. Doesn't break the skin. Its teeth aren't big enough. You can really easily pick it up by just going like this. There,
right.
like that. Ah, so watch for the spines on the back.
The spine. What is the spine?
So like there's 2 spines. There's a spine there and a spine there. And you
what is
just
that?
gotta... They're just little spines. Yeah, see the little blood?
Oh.
But just hold it like that and you'll be fine. There we go, lovely. Yeah, the boys!